Hey guys, welcome back to my space on the internet. It is your girl, isn't it? But of course, you know you can call me Sugar. Now, if this is your first time of seeing this beautiful face on this space, you are definitely welcome. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button below to be a part of this beautiful family. Okay, you guys. So today we are coming on here to try out. I mean, you already know what I'm about to say. Okay, from the thumbnail and even from the title of this video. Okay, we are going to be trying out the tomato and honey face masks, especially for oily skin. Okay, you guys, because I have oily skin. Okay, so this is going to be like a very like real life review, okay, and try out. Okay, I want you guys to try this out with me. First of all, the reason why I want to try this out first, okay, is because I actually have an oily skin, as most of you might must have already known from our previous videos, and I have large pores, you guys. So this is why I decided to come on here to you with my face, like bare face, no makeup, no white powder, no anything. Okay, this is just sugar. This is just sugar in your face. Okay, yes, I have some acne. Okay, these acne are just as a result of, I think, they're hormonal acne. Okay, I'm expecting my period any moment from like literally when I'm filming this video. So yeah, and I've been going through a lot has been going through me, a lot of premenstrual signs and symptoms and everything. Okay, so if you're a guy watching this video, you might not be able to relate. Okay, and speaking of guys, okay, you guys, I want you to know that anytime I come up with any tutorial or reviews, okay, on lifestyle hacks, okay, as regards skincare, for example, something like this, or when I give tips and tricks, it actually applies to men and women alike. Okay, so if you're a man watching this, you're not out of place or it's not out of tune, you can actually also, as a woman, share it to your male friends so that they can make use of these tips. And who says men cannot use some of the creams that we use? I mean, some of them secretly steal your creams, okay, as their babes. They steal your creams and your skincare products. So yes, so everything we do on this channel caters to both men and women regardless. Okay, you guys, so back to what we are here for. Okay, I was trying to tell you guys that I have actually have large pores, and which is the first reason I am actually going for the tomato, because tomato contains lincophene, lincosin or lincophene. Oh my goodness, you guys, tomato actually contains lincosin or lincophene. I'm going to get the right word and I'm going to leave it on your screen. Okay, that helps to tighten your pores, okay, and soften your skin. I have tried it out before a very long time ago, and you guys, I just felt the notch to actually try it again, and this time to come on here and try it with you guys. And while I was thinking of trying it out, I stumbled on a video, okay, a review where someone tried tomato and honey together. So I'm gonna try it together. So you guys, this is what my face looks like. I think the reflection of the sun is not allowing us, so let's, okay, I think this is quite better. Okay, yeah, this is slightly better. So this is what my face looks like up close, okay, with my large pores and a little of the dark spots from the last breakout I had from my last menstrual cycle. You guys, that one this one is nothing to write home about. Okay, I accidentally scratched this one open last night, but I'm going to let it sit there. So we are going to try the face mask immediately. Now what we need for this face mask is a plate, okay, you guys, and some tomatoes. I'm probably going to use just one. Okay, now like I said, the tomatoes helps to lighten and even out your skin tone, and it also helps to reduce the appearance of pores. It tightens your pores and encourages the elasticity of your skin as well. You guys, tomato is amazing, and you can use it in the morning, in the night, on your face. One of the best ways that you can actually use the tomato is to apply it on your face and leave it overnight. Even just the tomato alone, you guys, is going to suffice. So one good way to use it is to leave it overnight on your skin till the next morning. But if you are going to be using tomato overnight, make sure that the next morning you're not going to be spending a lot of time outdoors, because it means that your skin is going to be very hypersensitive to the ultraviolet rays of the sun. So you want to stay away from the sun as much as possible. Okay, you guys, except of course you want to, you know, get very intense with your sunscreen the following day. But you can use tomato on your face on any time of the day, leave on for 10 to 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse off, okay, or wash off if you're more comfortable with that. The next thing we need for our max is honey, and you guys, you can see that I literally just refilled my honey. If you need a plug for original honey, like straight from the bush, you guys, pure authentic original honey, send me a message. Okay, leave a comment in the comment section below. You guys, just look at this is straight from the bush. Okay, this company actually goes into the bush themselves to get pure unadulterated honey, and they get them out of the honeycombs themselves. And this is amazing, you guys. This is 1 liter of honey. This is pure original honey, so this is what we are going to be using. And then of course we need a knife to cut our tomatoes into twos. Now, you guys, one way to apply this mask is actually to make your tomato into a pulp, mix it with 1 or 2 teaspoons of this honey, and then put it into, mix it together, put it into the plate and mix it together. But for the purpose of, I mean, you know what they say about people who sometimes can get lazy, we always look for other creative ways to do whatever we want to do. Okay, so I am not going to be using that method. I am going to be using the second method, and that second method is to just apply the honey directly to the tomatoes and then straight onto my face. We are going to leave that on for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Okay, let's leave it for 20 minutes and wash off, and then we are going to see what we have. Okay, you guys, so you guys, let's get on to it. So before we go right into using our mats, and which is also the first thing you should always do whenever you want to try out a skincare routine or a skincare product, whenever you want to apply anything to your face for the health of your face, is to wash your face. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my massage brush and I am going to wash my face, cleanse my face, okay, to get it ready for the tomato and honey face mask. Okay, so let's go and wash our face. So I'm just going on ahead to pat my face dry, okay, to pat the water dry. Don't rub, don't rub, pat the water dry on my face and my and then off we go to apply our face mask. So now that we are done with that, what we are going to do is open our honey, just so that I don't spill or use too much. You guys just look at that. Look at that goodness. Oh my gosh. Like I said, I don't want to apply. I don't want to do the other method. This is the method I'm going to use. So cut your tomatoes into two. Squeeze lightly to bring out the juice from the tomatoes, and then add my honey. Add my honey. Add my honey. I think we need a little more honey, you guys. That one is small. Okay. Add the honey. Just quite not much, okay? Right onto it. Allow it to sit into the tomatoes. Into the tomatoes, okay? So now what honey does to your face, okay, you guys, I figured I didn't explain that. What honey does to your face is that it is going to make your skin smoother and softer. It also helps to combat acne. For those who are struggling with acne, it's also going to help to fight any stubborn dark spots you have. The combination of this anyways, okay, you guys. So let's just go on ahead to apply this onto our face, and then we go in and just apply this. Guys, it's dripping, so I need to take this up like this all over the face. Okay, you guys, keep away from your eyes, you. No stinginess. I'm feeling a slight stinginess, and that is because I have a large acne that I showed you guys already in the bathroom here. Okay, because this is slightly painful when I touch it, so I think that's why I'm feeling that stinginess there. And I usually, when I actually use tomato previously, I always feel that stinginess all over my skin, but I think that is the effect of the honey on this mask. Okay, it protects your face from any stinginess or extra sensitivity or irritation that the tomato would have ordinarily given you. You guys remember we said that anything you do to your face, you do to your neck. Okay, yes. We're just going to massage that in all into the tomatoes. Okay, we're massaging all of that in. You guys, I'm literally using my camera as my mirror, so if you should not be offended if I'm looking at myself instead of looking at you. Okay, actually. Okay. The good thing about this is that if you're using only tomatoes, you can use it every day. But if you have sensitive skin and you're using this particular mask, tomato and honey, or tomato and turmeric, or tomato and lime or lemon, which is also another kind of mask that does a lot of other things, that whitens and brightens your skin, you want to use the mask at least 2 times a week. Okay, maximum 3 times. Do not exceed 3 times a week. so that you do not harm your skin and give your skin time to take it in. Okay, I'm beginning to feel a bit of tinginess. Okay, yeah. You guys, I literally actually like how this feels while I'm applying it. It just feels so good. Like it's as if I should not stop. I should just keep rubbing and applying this thing. Oh my god. So you guys, you already saw what my face looks like before we started applying this face mask, okay? Yeah, that is it. I have all of that. Okay. So we're going to leave the face mask on for 20 minutes. Where's my phone? So we're going to be leaving this face mask on for the next 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to come back here to show you what my face looks like after 20 minutes. And then we'll wash off. And then you're also going to be seeing what the face looks like after washing off. Okay. So currently it is 11:22. Exactly 11:22. So we're coming on here back by 11:42 to check back on our marks. Okay, you guys. So see you shortly. So hey guys, we are back and the time is 11:42, exactly 20 minutes after we applied the marks. Okay, so how do I feel like? What does it feel like? Currently, this is what my face looks like. Okay, my skin kind of feels like it's a little bit tight. Okay, like it's tight in some areas, like around this area I feel some certain tightness. After like 5 minutes I started feeling a little bit of tinginess, okay, around, but it was very very mild. Okay, you would barely notice, except of course you pay attention. That was because I was really paying attention to what was happening on my face, or how my face was responding to the marks. And the experience kind of seems different from when I used just tomato. Okay, you remember I said that I've used only tomato in the past, in a very long time, like about 3 or 4 years ago. So the experience is quite different, and that's just it here, you guys. And it feels slightly sticky, right? I'm trying hard not to touch the face, but it feels slightly sticky and not like entirely like it has dried out like completely. Still feels, my face still feels kind of wet. And I think that is where the honey comes in. It is actually the honey playing out, because if it was tomato it would have dried out and my skin would really be tight, and you probably to be seeing the dryness of the tomato. Okay, so I think what the honey does is that it adds moisture to whatever you're doing on your face. So the honey is moisturizing my face alongside, while the pores are tightening at the same time. Okay, you guys. So yeah, this is it. I'm just going to quickly wash this off and come back here to show you what my face looks like after the tomato and honey marks. Okay, you guys. You guys, I am back after washing my face. This is what my face looks like. What do you think? Okay, did you notice any significant, or very visibly little change or difference from before I applied the face mask to now? Let me know in the comment section below, you guys. What do you think? I'm going to leave a video of a short clip of while I was talking at the beginning of the video, okay, so that you can compare the both of them right now. And you guys, first impression of my skin feels, I know that it has not tightened the pores like magic Mbano. I probably need to repeat this again this week, and then do it steadily for 1 month, for the next 1 month, to see what it looks like. But you guys, my skin just feels like it's just soft. Okay, it's soft, and it just has this brightness. Okay, I don't know what I'll call it. Okay, it just became a little brighter. Okay, there was just this extra glow to it, and that is it. Okay, you guys, so that is it for using the face masks. Okay, you guys, so are you going to try this out? Let me know in the comment section. I mean, you should totally try it out. I shouldn't even be asking if you're going to try it out. Okay, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think it did to my face? Okay, you think it's worth trying? Have you tried it before? What was your experience like? Let me know in the comment section below. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching this video till the end, till I come your way next time in my very next titillating, informative, okay, video. This is simply Sugar signing out. See you.